What up, everybody? This is a MoPro coming at you once again with the fixing of the car. Well, I have a small dilemma that happened to this Nissan Versa. I think it's 2011. Anyways, handled and came off the car. I guess I came out the store and gorillaed it, grabbed it, and bloop, the whole thing popped out. It's really simple and really easy to put on. And I noticed most Nissans have the same problem. So if you have a Nissan, it's usually in the same spot. Okay, well, to try to put the handle back on, you have to be able to push forward here, but this gets in the way. So what I did was, you have to have some torque thrusts. So I bought one of these kits from DeWalt or whatever, and it comes with the different sizes. Anyways, it goes up in here. Fit it up in there, unscrew it, and once you unscrew it, this will become loose. Once this becomes loose, so you can move it around, now you can put your handle back. Then once you put your handle back inside, okay, where's the handle? Matter of fact, let's get the handle. Let's put it in there. Why y'all? Handle back in, lift this up right here, and put it back in place. Once it's back in place, all you do is tighten the screw down in here, and you should be good to go.